Hi friends, I have a bunch of books for you to read this week with your family, with an adult, or look at the pictures and tell what you see. Like if I'm looking at this book, I see a mouse, a badger, and a bunny. So it's going to be a story about animals. This one says, I see winter animals. And in this book, it's going to tell you all about winter animals that you will see. In this little story here, it tells you about a walrus. It gives you some facts about a walrus. And then here's a little song you can read about a polar bear to I'm a Little Teapot and a penguin to I'm a Little Teapot. In this story, it's called Winter Animals. You can write your name on here and you can color. It talks about a seal and a walrus, an Arctic fox, Arctic hare, which is kind of like a rabbit, but it's called a hare, a caribou, which looks like a reindeer, a snowy owl. Enjoy these. Here's one that you're going to do a project with it. It's called In the Arctic. And it has a page that you could have an adult help you cut these little squares out. And there's a polar bear, a penguin, a seal, a reindeer, a snowy owl, a puffin. I wonder what that is. A walrus, a narwhal, and a moose. And this one says, in the Arctic. So I see blank. What could that be in the Arctic? You're going to see that it's a penguin, and you're going to put the penguin here. You do not have to glue it. You can just put it right here if you want to do this book over and over again. If you want to do it one time and just read it, you can glue it in. And the next page is I see a reindeer. So you're going to put the reindeer picture in the Arctic. I see a puffin in the Arctic. We'll have to look up and see what a puffin is. I see a narwhal in the Arctic. If you're not sure what a narwhal is, look it up and see. I see a polar bear in the Arctic. I see a seal in the Arctic. Arctic is that really cold place. I see an owl in the Arctic. I see a walrus in the Arctic. I see a moose in the Arctic. And that's it. So enjoy all of these books. And as always, have fun. Bye, friends.